Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with new chapter, that is locating place on the earth. In this lesson we will learn about latitudes, longitudes and different time zones. So children, in our last class we have done that longitudes and latitudes are the horizontal and vertical imaginary lines drawn on maps and globes that help us to locate place on the earth or on globe. Yes children, and we have done latitudes. So children, now tell me, what is this? This is earth, and latitudes are horizontal imaginary circular lines on globe. Okay, and they start from east and they move towards west side and they make complete circle, as you can see here. Yes, so this is how latitudes are drawn on the globe. Yes children, and they make, and these dots are what? Poles. And the poles are not circular line, they are dot. On the top, north pole, and at the bottom, south pole. They make circular lines like this. Yes, latitudes are circular lines, they make complete circle like this on the earth. You can see here in the picture. Yes children, and we have done that equator at 0 degree divides earth into two equal parts. Yes, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Yes, we have done important latitudes. So after equator, when we move towards north pole, then first after equator, then comes tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degree north latitude. Yes children, and after that Arctic Circle at 66.5 degree north, and then North Pole. Then when we move towards South Pole, Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degrees south, and then Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south, and South Pole at 90 degrees south. So these are the important latitudes. Yes, and how many latitudes are there? There are 181 latitudes. Above equator 90 in the northern hemisphere, and below equator, that is in southern hemisphere, 90. So 90 plus 90 plus 1 equator, 181 latitudes are there. This much is clear children. Now children, let's see what are longitudes. Longitudes are vertical semicircles drawn on the globe. Yes, see here, longitudes, a set of semicircular imaginary vertical lines on the globe surface running from North Pole to South Pole. Now see here in the picture. Can you see these lines children? Can you see these lines? They start from North Pole and they meet at South Pole. Yes, they start from North Pole and they meet at South Pole. Yes, they are not parallels. They are meeting at poles. Yes, children. And they are semicircular, means half circle. They are half circle, semicircular lines drawn vertically. Is it clear, children? See how this. They start from North Pole and they end at South Pole. Okay, children. Now this much is clear. Now see how it is. Children, you must have seen oranges. Yes, have you seen oranges? When you peel oranges, what you see? It look like this from inside. Yes, when you peel oranges, you get this. Yes, and when you spread it, it comes out like this, children. Yes, and when you take one slice out, it comes like this. Yes, if you notice it is a semicircular. It is a semicircular. How? I'll tell you, children. Can you see? It is making, sorry. Can you see, children, here? Just see here. It is semicircular shape. Yes. So, meridians, that is longitudes, are like this only. They start from the South Pole and they end at, sorry, they start from North Pole and they end at South Pole. Like this, children. Yes, they start from North Pole and they end at South Pole like this. This much is clear. See, when we take out the slice like oranges from the globe, it will come like this, exactly like oranges, exactly like slice of oranges. Yes, children. So this is how longitudes are drawn on the globe. Now, children, let's see what are the important longitude. So children, can you see what is this? This is again picture of globe. And can you see here this dot? This is what? North Pole. And at the bottom is what? South Pole. North Pole and South Pole are dot. And meridians, they start from North Pole and they end at South Pole. Can you see? Other than this is, they start from North Pole and they end at South Pole. And these white lines are meridian only. They are starting from the North Pole and ending at South Pole. Yes, and this black one which you can see here, this is very important meridian, that is prime meridian. That is prime meridian or prime longitude. The name of this line is prime meridian, and very important job of this prime meridian is to divide Earth into two equal parts vertically. It divides Earth into two equal parts, that is vertically, in Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. Yes, children, this is clear. And do you know how we number these meridian? We number these meridian in degrees only. Why? Because this is in circular shape. This is in circular shape, and circle we always measure in angle. Yes, children. Now see here. What is this? This half circle is of how much, how many degrees? 180 degree? Yes, children. And 180 degree plus 180 degree will be what? 360 degree. Why, children? Because they are not making full circle. They are making half circles. They are starting from, North Pole and they are ending at South Pole, and they are making semicircles, not full circles. Yes, children. So 180, see, this is the center one, this is the center one. So 180 this side and 180 other side. Yes, children. 180 in Western Hemisphere and 180 in Eastern Hemisphere. So 180 and 180, it makes how much? 360 degrees. So how many meridians we are having? We are having 360 meridians. Okay, children. So 180, let me write here also. Yes. So 180 plus 180 is equal to how much? 360 meridians. Okay, children, why 360? Because they are making half circle. They are not making full circle like latitudes. Is it clear, children? This much is clear. Now see what. Now, children, let's see what are the characteristics of longitude. Now, children, what is this? This is a globe, and these vertical lines are what? Yes, children, tell me, these vertical lines are what? These are longitudes. These are longitudes. Yes, children, these are longitudes. So let's see what are the characteristics of longitude. First one, All longitudes are of the same length and maximum distance between any two longitude is at the equator. Children, now try and understand this thing. Now, see, it starts from where? Pole. It starts from pole and its end at South Pole. Yes, it starts from North Pole and its end at South Pole. And they are making semicircles. They are making, children, semicircle. Yes, they are not making full circle. They are making semicircle. First understand this thing. And they are meeting at this point. They are meeting here at the poles, at the North Pole and at the South Pole. And you can see as they move towards the pole, the distance is decreasing. See children, as they move towards the pole, distance is decreasing because of the shape of the earth, because earth is in spherical shape. So at the pole, the distance is reducing. The area of earth is reducing. That is why the distance is also between two longitudes, two meridian is decreasing. You can see here children. See here distance and see here distance. At the equator, they are having maximum distance between two meridians or between two longitudes. You can see here children, and see near the poles the distance is decreasing. Is it clear? And they are meeting at the pole, that is why they are not parallel also. Now see what is the next characteristic. The distance between any two longitudes decreases as they move away from the equator towards the pole. Yes children, just now I have you told, when they move towards the pole, they meet at North Pole. And you can see here, because of Earth's shape, Earth is in spherical shape. So when we move towards the pole, the area is decreasing on the Earth. That is why the distance between two longitudes are decreasing here. Is it clear children? Now see the third point. Longitudes cut the parallel at the right angle 90 degree. Yes children, as you can see here, what is this children? Equator. Equator is what? Latitude. Yes, and you can see these latitudes are coming like this. Yes, so they are cutting each other. Where? They are cutting each other here like this on a 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. You can see children here. They are cutting each other at 90 degree. All the latitudes and longitudes are making right angle. They are making right angle. You can see here children. Yes, and other, you can draw it like this and you can see. Yes. Is it clear children? You can draw here also and you can make it show. See, because they are moving horizontally towards western. Yes, western side. And this is coming from North Pole to South Pole. So they are making right angle. This much is clear children. Now see what is the last characteristics. Longitudes are used to measure distance in the east direction and west directions. These are the longitudes which help us to know the distance in the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Yes children, I believe this is clear. This is all about longitudes. So now I believe that latitudes and longitudes are clear to you. Yes. So thank you. This is all for today's class children. Thank you. Stay blessed.